technical webinar. And I'm sure I have the confidence because having her all experience, expertise, you people will enjoy a lot from all technical sides. Thank you very much. And this is over to Peggy. Peggy, welcome to the webinar. And thank you very much for your sparing your time. I know it's 9 o'clock in the USA. It's a Sunday morning. So I'm really delighted. Thank you very much. So please go ahead.
Thank you very much. I'm happy to be here today with GMP Compliance Academy to provide you with an introduction on the CTD and eCTD globally. Just a few more words about my overall experience. I've been working 30 plus years in regulatory affairs, quality area, as well as all kinds of compliance through to commercialization, and largely in the US, Europe, Japan, some clinical work in the Middle East, North African area, and some of the other Asian areas, such as even in Australia, Russia, and so forth. So what I'm talking to you about today will have some examples from the US, some examples from Europe, and I will speak a little bit to some of the other regions. They primarily focus on those areas because the CTD is based on the ICH, the International Conference of Harmonization, which was designed and arrived at in guidance documents through the consortium of the US, the EU, and Japan. So that's why I've got these examples. But now many other parts of the world, as I'm sure you know, are moving toward the CTD format, and some, although usually a little bit further behind, to the electronic common technical document. And certainly there will be time for Q&A, or you can type them into the Q&A box on your screen, and I will get to those as we move toward the end of the program. So what I'll cover today is when the CTD or the eCTD is required, what the CTD is, then some specific examples about the structure and content of the CTD, what you need to think about when you are going to be preparing your CTD internally, and then your eCTD, turning the CTD content into an electronic submission, because it does require some different technical skills and abilities and programming, and what you need then to think about if you're going to be outsourcing your electronic CTD or bringing your eCTD publication in-house. So beginning then, when is the common technical document needed? This will be very important depending on what region you want to make your submission in. So if you want to make your submission in the US, all applications have to be submitted in CTD